Hello and welcome to German Ladder, a premium way to learn Dutch. In this German for Beginners A1 course, Level 2, in Lesson 1, we are going to learn hints on how to guess German articles. Hinweise zum Erraten Deutsche Artikel. I'm a mentor, Joseph Volt, will be with you, and together we will try to learn. And before you start, it's very important to learn German noun with proper articles. As the article placement in Deutsch is not like English, like non-specific a and specific the, so we need to pay a little more attention to it. And we will try to learn from tricks to remember the exact article before the specific Deutsch noun. Ich zeige euch ein paar Tipps, zu entscheiden, ob ihr der, die oder das braucht. Und wir fangen an. We start. And first, we talk about der. Firstly, we talk about männliche Personen. Männliche Personen or male people. All the manly words like man, father, male teacher, etc. come with der at first. Like der Mann, der Vater, der Lehrer, etc. Tage, Monate. When we say days and months, we need to add der. Like der Montag, der Dienstag, der Januar, der Februar, der März, etc. And then Jahreszeiten. Jahreszeiten, which means the seasons. It also have der, like der Frühling, the spring, der Sommer, the summer, der Herbst, the autumn, and der Winter, the winter, etc. Ling. Words with ling at and have der at first. Der Lehrling, which means the apprentice. Der Schmetterling, the butterfly. Us. Words end with us also have der, like der Idealismus, der Zirkus, Ant, der Elefant, der Lieferant, ich, der Honig, which means honey, and der Teppich, the carpet. Nomen abstammend von Verben mit n. Nouns descending from verbs with n, or nouns taken from verbs with n at and, like der Schlafe, or the sleep, which is derived from the verb schlafen, which means to sleep. And der Sitz, which means the seat. It's taken from the verb sitzen, which means to sit. Now we talk about die. Weibliche Personen or feminine person words start with die, like die Frau, die Lehrerin, die Professorin, etc., which means the woman, the female teacher, and the female professor. Deutsche Flüsse or German rivers. German rivers also start with die at beginning. Die Main, die Neckar, die Elbe, etc. All of these are the names of rivers in Germany. Nomen mit den Endungen, or in English, nouns with the endings. Ung. Nouns with ung always has die at first, like die Landung, die Bedeutung, I, German nouns with I also have D, like die Bücherei, die Bücherei, die Datei. The Bücherei means the bookstore, the Datei means the file on your computer. Schaft. Die Wissenschaft, die Wissenschaft, which means science. Die Freundschaft, die Freundschaft, the friendship. Heit, Kite. Die Gesundheit, the health. Die Abartigkeit, the abnormality. Tat, die Universität, die Priorität, die Elektrizität. Ion, die Situation, die Religion. Ich, die Mechanik, die Logik. Ur, die Natur, die Kultur, die Prozedur, die Prozedur. Ans, die Frequenz, die Toleranz, die Toleranz. I, die Philosophie, die Biologie. Das. Buchstaben. Das A, das B, das C. At the time of pronouncing letters, we have to say das A, das B. Ma. Das Thema or the topic, das Drama, the drama, etc. Nouns with at and have das at beginning, like das Museum, das Aquarium, etc. Line, chain. Das Fraulein or the miss who is not yet married, das Mädchen or the little girl. Ment, das Experiment, das Experiment. Nomen abstammend from infinitive, and it's an easy way to make verbs to noun, like das Schwimmen, das Schwimmen, das Leben, das Leben. Das Schwimmen means the swimming, das Leben means the life. English Wörter mit ing. English words with ing are always pronounced with das, like das Timing, das Training, etc. Collective mit g. Collective words with g always start with das, like das Gebäude or the building, das Gebirge, the mountains, etc. And notes. You can't learn all of them in a single day, but one day you will surely learn. I suggest you all to practice one by one, like learn hints for 3 days and try to compare those with your day-to-day life words, and then carry on for D and das. And to make it easier for you, subjective vocabulary videos are up next. You can also write and keep the important words in paper and watch those frequently, like die Natur, die Logik, die Gesundheit, etc., which is very important for your daily life. And as a homework, write words in the comment box you learned from this video for der, die, and das. Also, let us know if you have any question, any query. Please subscribe and inspire us. Tschüss.